Today's video is about porting your existing number to Lyca Mobile network. Why Lyca Mobile? Let's go inside and let's see what do we have here. Let's go into this page, which is a pay monthly page. Then we have pay as you go section as well. So look at the offers. We have 50 GB for £6 and 50 pence. Original price is 15 quid, and you will be paying £6 50 pence for the first 3 months. And then you have £15 unlimited data, which is cheap, super cheap as compared to other mobile networks such as EE, Vodafone, or even GiveCaf. You get unlimited phone calls and text messages, 100 international minutes free, and UK and EU roaming data is also included. If you look at the pay monthly plans, we have more cheaper plans in pay monthly section. 24 months is a super deal. For example, for 24 months pay monthly plan, you will be paying £7 50 pence for the first 6 months, and for the next 18 months you will be paying 15 quid. So if you multiply 15 by 18, and then that's £270, and if you multiply it by 7.5 multiplied by 6, that's 45. So it's a 315 quid for 24 months, which works out as £13 and 125 pence a month, which is still cheaper. If you look at the overall price comparison, you get 100 GB of data, and if you look at unlimited data for £9 or £8 a month, that is 20 GB. So let's go back to the mobile number portability section. Type transfer your number to Lyca, and you will be able to open this page. This page you have two sections for the name, first name and the last name, then followed by the email address which you have to enter. Make sure you have your Pac code ready. In order to get the Pac code, simply send PAC space your date of birth on a text message, and send it to 65075. That should bring up your Pac code within seconds. Then you need to enter your mobile number which you would like to keep. For example, your current mobile number which you are porting to Lyca Mobile, that should be in this box, and the Pac code should be in this box. Remember, once you have your Pac code handy, you should be able to use it. Pac code, different networks sent with different variations, but if you're moving from 3 network, it should be HTG followed by a 6-digit Pac code or 7-digit Pac code. Once that is entered in this section, you can move on towards choosing your language. We'll select English, and then in the new number you need to enter your Lyca Mobile number, which you will be converting with your old number. And finally we have the porting date, but before that you need to also enter your or type in your Lyca Mobile SIM number. This is a 19-digit SIM number which you will find on top of your SIM card, whether you're using a micro or a nano SIM card. And then the port-in date, you can pick and choose any port-in date, and then click on submit. That's it, job done, and your old number should be ported to your Lyca Mobile number. Remember, the deals on this page, they are super cheap. If you work out your way how much data you consume and how much data or calls you need, most of these packages come with unlimited UK minutes and text. The only difference is you have to pick and choose one from the data side. For example, the cheapest data package is 5 GB, then we have 20 GB, 100 GB and unlimited. And if you look at the best SIM only deals, then we have 20, 50, 100 unlimited, or even you can go for as low as 5 GB. All of these packages comes with free UK unlimited calls and text, 100 international free minutes, UK and EU data roaming. Apart from that, the only difference is the number of GBs you will get on one package. That's it for today's video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.